Welcome to the colorful and diverse world of Indian bedding traditions, a realm where the vibrancy of culture and the richness of history are interwoven into every fabric. Indian bedding is much more than a mere necessity for comfort. It is a vibrant expression of India's cultural diversity, its artisans' unmatched craftsmanship, and the enduring legacy of traditional designs. A canvas of colors and craft in India, bedding is a canvas that displays a multitude of colors, intricate patterns, and an array of textures. From the royal block prints of Rajasthan to the elegant Kantha stitch of West Bengal, each region contributes its unique signature to the collective identity of Indian bedding. Rajasthan stands out for its Sanganeri and Bagru prints, showcasing motifs that celebrate nature and folklore, bursting with colors that reflect the state's spirited festivals. Gujarat is renowned for its Kutch embroidery, a dazzling mix of stitches and mirrorwork that adds a touch of sparkle and complexity to the fabric. West Bengal introduces us to the simplicity and grace of Kantha, where recycled fabrics are transformed into quilts and bed covers, each stitch narrating stories of life and creativity. Kerala contrasts with its commitment to organic cotton and natural dyes, offering a minimalist and eco-friendly option inspired by the serene beauty of traditional Kasavu sarees. The heart of tradition. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Indian bedding carries deep cultural significance, embodying the spirituality and traditions of the country. They are not just items of utility, but symbols of heritage that play an essential role in ceremonies and daily life, reflecting the beliefs and values of the Indian ethos. Contemporary fusion. The story of Indian bedding is continually evolving, with modern designers infusing traditional techniques with contemporary styles. This blend of old and new ensures that Indian bedding remains relevant and cherished across the globe, a testament to the timeless beauty and adaptability of Indian craftsmanship. Conclusion. Exploring Indian bedding traditions offers a glimpse into a world where every piece is a testament to India's rich cultural fabric, a celebration of color, craft, and heritage. In the intricate designs and vibrant hues of Indian bedding, we find a reflection of India's soul, a tapestry of traditions that continues to inspire and enchant.